Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I'm going to try to attempt to show you how to draw this. Really, it's not an optical illusion, but it really plays with your mind. To do this, you only need to follow a couple of not rules, but draw a perpendicular line, and then go ahead and make that line a 1/2 inch. And then I'm going to go ahead and make it black. And then I'm going to set my nudge factor on 1 inch. And I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. But first, before I do that, I need to change this object change this line into an object. Control D and make a duplicate. So now our lines are equally spaced between black and white. I'm going to go ahead and Control G to group it. I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. And then I'm going to draw this shape, which is a shape I draw a lot. Just take 2 ellipses, hit the plus key on your keyboard, put it on that edge, and fill that in with a Smart Fill tool, and you have that football-looking shape. Now we're going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. That's about the right size, so we're going to left-click, right-click, and the other, not really a rule, but the other thing you want to do, it's more than 20 inches, so we're going to go 24 inches. We're going to make a duplicate of this. This one, we're going to take and intersect it. And then that way we got those black stripes. But before you do anything else, you need to change your nudge factor to a 1/2 inch and nudge this whole thing. Well, I think we just want to nudge the frame down and leave the football there. Now we're going to go back minus front, and we have a void. Now we can change our nudge factor back to 24, or you could nudge it over a lot of 1/2 inches. Whoop. And you get that optical illusion look, because the lines are every other line. Now, to get this thing kind of perfect like I did on this, well, it's not perfect. You would want to start that football shape on a line, but that's not really that big a deal. But just remember to turn everything into an object and then move this down, so when you move your football shape back, it's that 1/2 inch off. About the only way it'll work. You can't, if you don't do it then, when you move the football, it'll look like that. Anyway, just an idea to play with. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.